10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff.
Momentum is a kinetic sculpture that attempts to encapsulate the spirit of exploration, resilience, and courage. It serves not only as a tribute to our adventures beyond the sky, but also as a powerful symbol of the perseverance one reaches to achieve great things. Like a rocket ascending against the pull of gravity, we want this sculpture to inspire its owner to push past limits and pursue their personal ambitions and milestones with unstoppable momentum. Designed by Studio Shell, Momentum is a sculpture that embodies this concept of upwardness. Its dynamic movement is created by these blades, inspired by airplane propellers that cross each other in opposite directions, giving it an optical illusion of perpetual ascent. The kinetic function is achieved by two rotating components, one in the center and one at the base, and is what transforms the sculpture into a metaphor for growth. From beneath the base, the sculpture is accompanied by warmly lit LEDs that travel through the center, giving it a nice glow and to simulate the bright cloudy flames of a rocket launch. Through a lot of countless prototypes, sketchings, and forms, we wanted the sculpture to be something more than a mere object of admiration, and instead we wanted to invite the user for personal reflection. It stands as a reminder to strive for milestones in every aspect of life: academic achievement, career advancements, skill masteries, nurturing relationships, and even just fulfilling personal goals. This sculpture is something that a person deserves and to proudly put up in their office or home for anybody to see. By emulating the effort and courage symbolized by a rocket launch, the sculpture is a personal trophy that encourages its user to embrace their own journey of discovery, persistence, and upward momentum.